Hello friends, how are you all? I hope so all things are also good and all things are also going good and well. Yes, today we will start our new chapter, light, shadow and reflection. Yes, yesterday we will finish our chapter, motion and measurement of distance. So today we will start our last third chapter, I think so, as according to new version of NCERT, light, shadow and reflection. What is light, what is shadow and what is reflection? Main thing is that firstly you have to clear what is the concept of the chapter. That means what is the name of the chapter and what is the meaning of the name of the chapter. That means you have to know. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि द चैप्टर विल यू रीड उस क्या पर्पस है, क्या कंसेप्ट है, क्या आपको समझाना चाह रहा है, क्या चाहता है बुक रीडर में. दैट बुक जो एनसीईआरटी डिपार्टमेंट है वो क्या चाहता है आपको क्या बताए. सो फर्स्टली लाइट. व्हाट इज लाइट? एज यूजुअल sunlight, torchlight. The thing, light is a purpose by which we are able to see the objects. लाइट के थ्रू ही हम किसी चीज़ को, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को विजिबल कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. विजिबिलिटी ओनली ड्यू टू लाइट. शेडो, आवर शेडो. इन डार्कनेस आवर anything have a shadow. In detail we will also discuss these topics in chapter. I'm just giving a we can say uppermost layer review of these topics. Reflection. If there is a light, there should be a refraction or reflection. There are two terms, refraction or reflection. So we have to study about the reflection, light, shadow and reflection. Okay, so this is the intro of the chapter. So we have to study about the light. Main topic is light because shadow and reflection is only due to presence of light. So main is light. What is light? What is the object and what is light? From where light come? What are the main purpose of light in our daily life. Okay, these are the main topic of our today topic. Okay, first point, what I have write, first point you will able to see, objects like the sun that gives out and emit light of their own, they known as luminous objects. Okay, object, that means object like sun. We will take example of the sun. Okay, that give out and emit light of their own. Sun have their own light. Sun have their own light. They give out and emit their own light. Yes, sunlight is the own light of the sun. Only and only due to presence of the sunlight we will able to see the things. There is a morning is only due to presence of the sunlight. Okay. So objects like the sun that gives out and emit light of their own as known as luminous object. Clear? जिन ऑब्जेक्ट्स की खुद की लाइट होती है, वो खुद से लाइट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं या खुद से लाइट एमिट करते हैं, वो ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं. और जो नहीं प्रोड्यूस करते, लाइक आवर चेयर, आवर टेबल, दे नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट. दे यूज द अदर लाइट, दे यूज द अदर सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. ओके, clear up to here? Luminous and non-luminous. Luminous objects, all, I think so, all concept of this chapter depend upon the luminous objects because light is there. In luminous objects light is present there. Okay, so luminous objects में light होती है और हमें light, shadow and reflection ही पढ़ना है chapter में. Okay, 3 type of objects are there. How many type objects like the sun. सो फर्स्टली हमें लूमिनस और नॉन लूमिनस का पता चल गया, डिफ्रेंशिएशन हो गया. अब ऑब्जेक्ट्स में डिफरेंट टाइप के होते हैं. कोई लाइट पास करता है, कोई नहीं करता, कोई सेमी पास करता है. सो वी हैव टू रीड द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो. सो देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, opaque object and translucent object. Okay, there are 3 type of objects present in our syllabus: transparent, opaque and translucent. What are the difference of what is the difference in between these 3? So we have to study these. I think so in the 3rd or 4th chapter I am giving a brief review of these 3 points. But in this chapter I will explain in detail what are the transparent, opaque and translucent objects. Okay, and yes, luminous and non-luminous and 3 type of objects. Is there any problem till here? Okay, आगे चलें. Okay, start with the transparent objects. Yes, so the difference between the transparent, translucent and opaque objects are here. Yes, start with the transparent. Objects through which we can see clearly. That means the objects by which we can see easily. That means this is an object. Suppose this is an object. I think so this is an object. Don't suppose. Suppose that this is a transparent object and I am able to see this side from to this side. If we are able to see from one side to another side of the object easily, that means the objects are transparent. They allow the light completely pass through them. Example are glass, air. Yes, air is present everywhere and we are able to see each other things also. So air is also transparent. Okay. So 3 main points are there. Objects through which we can easily see clearly. Objects from one side of the object to the other side of the object. And light is completely passed through the object. Examples are glass and air. Second point is translucent. That means object through which we can see but not clearly. Objects through which we can see but not clearly. Light, semi-transfer of light is there. Semi-transfer of light is there. Yes, I think so in your childhood you will do an activity. Make a sheet of paper, rub on your head and see, look how will my head having. So if you have that paper and you will able to see the objects from the other side, you will see objects. You will see the shadow of the object but not clearly that what is there. You will not justify that what thing is there, what thing is present there. You just able to see that the thing is there. So you will able to see the half or you can say semi thing not clearly. That is the best example of the translucent paper objects. Oily paper, glass window. Some heavy glass are there which are not clearly seen. They in office or in schools maybe this glass window you will able to see. These are the translucent and sliding doors also in offices. Okay. Third is opaque. If we cannot see through the object at all, that means this pen, I am not able to see the line where it has come. I am not able to see the object from the where. Okay. So the object which will not able to pass any percent of light through them and we will not able to see anything from one side to other side of the object is known as opaque. Examples are chair, table, all furniture, or you can say bags, trolleys, etc. There are so many examples of opaque objects and there are so many examples of transparent objects, but there are some little less examples of translucent. Okay. ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स जिसके थ्रू हम क्लियरली देख सकें, जिस ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू हम क्लियरली देख सकें एक साइड से दूसरी साइड पे हमें क्लियरली पता चल जाए कि वहाँ पे क्या ऑब्जेक्ट है, कोई पर्सन खड़ा है. लाइक ग्लास, अगर हमें ग्लास को मिरर को ले लेते हैं, अब जो मिरर पीछे से यू कैन से ना पेंटेड ना हो तो हम इजीली देख सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ द ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट. और इनके अंदर से लाइट कंप्लीटली पास होती है, 100% पासिंग ऑफ लाइट थ्रू द ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स जिससे हम पार्शियली देख सकते, पार्शियली विजिबिलिटी होती है. ऑयली पेपर हम जब स्कूल टाइम में सिर पे पेपर रब करके उससे देखते थे तो वो बेस्ट एग्जांपल है ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स का. दो जो एग्जांपल हैं लाइक पेपर, ऑयली पेपर, हम उससे देख सकते हैं कि दूसरी साइड पे क्या चीज़ प्रेजेंट है, बट ये बता नहीं सकते कि वो एक्चुअली चीज़ है क्या. बस हमें शेडो दिखाई देगी या कुछ अपीयरेंस दिखाई देगा कि हाँ देयर इज समथिंग, बट वी विल नॉट एबल टू जस्टिफाई और नोटिफाई दैट दिस थिंग इज देयर. ओके, सो सेमी पार्शियल ऑफ लाइट इज देयर. ट्रांसलूसेंट में सेमी पार्शियल लाइट होता है. और एग्जाम्पल ऑयली पेपर, मोटा ग्लास विंडोज बनी होती हैं ऑफिस में, डोर्स होते हैं, स्कूल्स में होते हैं, मे बी आजकल घर में भी होने लगे. ओपेक, इफ वी कैन नॉट सी थ्रू एन ऑब्जेक्ट एट ऑल, जिसके पास लाइट होती ही नहीं है, मतलब जिसके पास लाइट जाती ही नहीं है, रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है, रिफ्रेक्ट हो जाती है, कुछ भी हो, ट्रांसमिट होती है, बट पास नहीं करती, और जिस ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू से हम बिल्कुल भी विजिबिलिटी नहीं कर सकते, जीरो विजिबिलिटी इज देयर थ्रू दीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स, दे आर नोन एज ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑल योर फर्नीचर एट योर होम, वॉल्स ऑफ योर हाउस, all thing present at your maximum things present at your home is opaque. Okay, like wall, furniture, this pen, this blackboard, these are the examples of opaque object. So clear to all of you in both language? Transparent, translucent and opaque. Transfer of light 100%, 50%, 0%. Okay, clear? Okay, come to the next topic. What exactly are shadow? That means what exactly shadow? हमें बताना what is shadow. That means what is exactly meaning of this shadow. Okay, let's start. Opaque objects. Yes, shadow is only formed of opaque objects. There is no shadow of transparent or translucent objects. So opaque object have the shadow formation, because if there is a transmission or if there is pass of light through the object, that there is no shadow. Okay. So dark patches is there. If you have any opaque object and light is fall on the object, there is a dark patch on the ground. Okay. Paper, ground, opaque object. You have to perform an activity. Take a sheet of paper or place on the ground. Take a sheet of paper and place on the ground, and you have an opaque object. Like for example, you have this marker. You have this marker and on the ground you have to make a sheet of paper as lie down. And if you have this opaque object and light will fall on this, then there is a shadow on the sheet of the paper on the ground. Then there is a shadow of this marker on the sheet of the paper on the ground. Outline. You have to ask your friend to draw the outline of the shadow and identify the object. Did you able to identify the all objects? No, you will not able to identify the all objects, but because there is a mislead also by the shadow. Okay. No source of light, no shadow. Yes, for having a shadow, you have to complete two necessary conditions. First is opaque object and second is source of light. So you have to both the sources at present, that opaque object and source of light. Then only you have a shadow. Shadow information. Shadow gives us information. Shadow gives us some information about the shape of the objects. If I see a square shadow, I think this is a table. If I see a cylindrical shadow, I think this is my marker. If I see some person shadow, like a human being, oh, maybe it's a family person or friend or whatever you will see. Okay. Mislead also. Yes, shadow mislead also. When you try something, when you on your bed, lights are off, draw some little light is present in your room, like 0 watt or 50 watt bulb is there in your room. You move your hand like this, legs. So on wall there is a shadow, like there is an animal or bird chirping or moving from one to another place. So this is the mislead of the shadow. So shadow misleads also. Not every shadow gives us the complete information of the object. Yes, so again listen carefully. What is shadow? देखो opaque object ही shadow बनाते हैं. Only opaque object की हम shadow बना सकते हैं. और shadow के लिए दो proper condition compulsory है. First is opaque object and second is presence of light source. Okay. तो अगर आप कोई एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करेंगे, लाइक आपने एक पेपर ग्राउंड पे लाई कर दिया, एक पेपर शीट ऑफ पेपर लिया, ग्राउंड पे लगा दिया, और आपने मान लो मार्कर लिया और आप ऐसे स्टैंड हो गए, लाइट फॉल कर रही है, तो उसकी जो शेडो है वो आपके पेपर पे जाके बनेगी और आप अपने फ्रेंड को बोलो उसको आउटलाइन, शेडो को आउटलाइन करें. तो क्या आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे? येस, समटाइम यू विल आइडेंटिफाई, समटाइम यू विल नॉट, बिकॉज शेडो मिसलीड भी करती है. हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट की शेडो प्रॉपरली हमें उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देती. अगर कोई सोर्स ऑफ लाइट नहीं है, कोई ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, तो कोई शेडो नहीं बनेगी, क्योंकि दो कंडीशन कंपलसरी है शेडो के लिए. फर्स्ट इज ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट एंड सेकंड इज सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. शेडो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देती है, शेप्स बता देती है ऑब्जेक्ट्स की, ताकि हम यू कैन से आइडिया लगा लें कि या मे बी दिस इज देयर, मे बी दिस इज देयर. ओके, बट देयर इज नो 100% श्योरिटी दैट दिस शेडो ऑफ दिस ऑब्जेक्ट. हमें कम्प्लीटली इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होती कि ये शेडो इसी ऑब्जेक्ट की है. मिसलीड भी करती है. अगर आपने कभी रात में सोते हुए जब रूम लॉक आप लाइट्स वगैरह ऑफ करके सोने लगते हैं, तो कुछ प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट होती है आपके रूम में, तो अपने हैंड्स को कभी मूव करके देखना, फिंगर्स और हैंड्स को, तो वॉल पे आपको डिफरेंट शेडोज दिखाई देंगी जो आपको मिसलीड बता देंगे कि शेडो हमें मिसलीड करती हैं. ओके, सो यस, टुडे हमने पढ़ा शेडो, ट्रांसपेरेंट, ट्रांसलूसेंट, ओपेक एंड लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स. 5 to 6 टॉपिक आज हमने इसमें कवर किए हैं. So today, this is enough for today. You have to revise till here. Tomorrow we will do the pinhole camera. Very interesting topic. You will try at your home also. कि pinhole camera बनाने की try करना अपने घर पे. So आज today till here. Okay. But exactly our shadow you have to do experiment on shadow. What is shadow? How shadow form? What you can say funny things happen with the making of shadow. Okay. And tell me by your comment section. So for today, enough. Thank you.